In this example, we will calculate the value of anti-log minus 2.3010. In this number, we cannot write this like that, minus 2 plus 0.3010, because when we find the sum of minus 2 and 0.3010, it is not equal to minus 2.3010. So in this problem, we increase minus 2 by minus 1, so it will be minus 3, and we subtract 0.3010 from 1, so we get 0.6990. Now the given number can be written as minus 3 plus 0.6990. As we solve it, it will be equal to minus 2.3010. This is the way to find the value of antilog of any negative number. Now here the integer part is minus 3 and the decimal part is 0.6990. Therefore, antilog minus 2.3010 can be written as antilog in bracket minus 3 plus 0.6990 antilog in bracket 0.6990 into 10 raised to minus 3. This minus 3 was the integer part here, so it will be used as a power of 10. Now to find the value of antilog 0.6990, we use row 0.69 in antilog table. So here in antilog table, this is the row. Now in mean value column, we use the value of column 9, because here the third digit is 9. So column 9 means in this column, for the row 0.69, the value will be 5000. The fourth digit is 0, so there will be no mean difference. The value will be 5000. Now to write the final value, we use decimal after first digit, so it is 5.000, and it is multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3. So finally the value of antilog minus 2.3010 is equal to 5.000 into 10 raised to minus 3. As we solve, we get 0.0050. Now one more example. In this example, we will calculate the value of antilog minus 1.7821. So this number written as minus 2 plus 0.2179, because for the negative number, initially we increase integer number here as minus 1, it will be increased by minus 1, so it will be minus 2. Okay, and for the decimal part, we subtract it by 1, so as we subtract 0.7821 from 1, so we get 0.2179. Now this number can be written as a minus 2 plus 0.2179. To obtain the value, minus 2 is used as a power of 10, and the value of antilog 0.2179 is obtained from the antilog table. We use row 0.21 in log table. So here this is the row 0.21. In this row, we use column 7th, because here third digit is 7. So in 7th column, that will be the column to obtain the value. The value is 1648. Now to obtain mean difference, we will use fourth digit. Here fourth digit is 9, so the mean difference will be also for 9, so it is 3. Now the total value will be the sum of 1, 6, 4, 8 and 3, so it is 1651. The sum will be 1651. So the value of antilog 0.2179, it is 1.651 because we use decimal after one digit. Now finally the value of the given digit and antilog, so the antilog minus 1.7821 is written as 1.651 into 10 raised to or minus 2, because in this number integer part was the minus 2. It will be used as a power of 10. Finally the value is 0.01651.